Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every nail art enthusiast. The best MPA nail art palette out there. The 16 Colors Narina the Artist Palette x MPA. Whether you're a seasoned nail tech or just starting your nail art journey, this palette is an absolute game changer. Let's get into what makes this palette so special. Right out of the box, you'll find a beautifully curated set of 16 solid gel colors, each one inspired by a legendary artist. We're talking shades like Banksy White, Van Gogh Orange, Warhol Yellow, and even McNeil Black. The names aren't just catchy. Each color feels thoughtfully chosen, giving you the flexibility to create everything from minimalist nail art to full-blown masterpieces. Now, let's talk design. This set isn't just about the colors, it's about the whole experience. It comes with a full-size mixing pad and 2 mini palettes that make it easy to blend custom shades without the mess. It's compact, clean, and perfect for saving space on your nail desk. The 24 grids in the palette are perfect for organizing colors and keeping your workspace tidy, especially during those intense creative sessions. Each gel in the palette comes in a 5-gram solid form, meaning no drips and way less waste. And don't let the size fool you, these gels are highly pigmented. Just a small amount goes a long way, delivering solid, vivid color with incredible coverage. Whether you're painting detailed flowers, fine lines, or full nails, the texture and control are spot on. Curing these gels is super efficient. You only need about 30 to 60 seconds under a UV or LED lamp. If you're going for a full coverage nail, thin coats are best and you might want to cure a little longer. But the beauty is that it's quick, it's clean, and it holds up amazingly well. Another highlight, this is a non-wipe gel. That means you can go straight into chrome applications without any extra steps. It's perfect for those trending mirror effects and metallic finishes. The glossy finish right out of the lamp gives your art that salon-level look every time. The packaging deserves a shout-out too. Everything comes in a sleek, artist-inspired case that opens to reveal your full palette instantly. No more rummaging around or setting up. The design keeps your table organized and your workflow smooth. If you're looking to expand your nail art game or simply want a reliable palette that delivers consistent results, this is it. The Narina x MPA palette combines function, style, and high performance in one gorgeous set. So, if nail art is your canvas, let this be your ultimate paint box. The best MPA nail art palette, the 16 Colors Narina the Artist Palette x MPA, is available now. Don't forget to check the link in the description if you're ready to level up your nail artistry. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.